A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to check your bill details on the 3UK app, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the 3UK app. Launch the app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your bill details. Step 2. Navigate to Bills. Once you're in the app, look for the Bills section in the main menu. This is where you can find all your billing information. Step 3. Select your current bill. In the Bills section, tap on your current bill to view detailed information. This will show you the breakdown of charges and any additional fees. Step 4. Review bill breakdown. Take a moment to go through the bill breakdown. You'll see charges for calls, texts, data, and any extras. If you notice any discrepancies, you can take note of them. Step 5. Check payment options. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you have any issues finding your bill, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Happy billing!